Hi, this is Chef Pachi. Come and help me set up my tiny kitchen at the beach where I usually prepare the catch of the day. From my home, I bring my fresh herbs, and from the market, fresh and delicious vegetables and fruit. Check out my tiny kitchen setup. A variety of oils and vinegars, pot covers, and things to use in my barbecue. We have some lime and lemon squeezers, plastic bags, film, foil, spoons and tongues, and my favorite piece, the mandolin. A toaster oven that I use for all my baking, small and larger pots and pans, and some spatulas. With one or two good burners and some boiling water, we can prepare a lot of delicious food in a tiny kitchen. You can also have a panini grill if you don't have a stove. All things can be done in a tiny kitchen. Enjoy and have an amazing day. Chef Pachi.